Is that perfect? Did I do good? You want me to move it or you like it? He tells me with his foot where he wants it. You like it? Did I do good? Okay.